Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub. So today we are going to learn how to configure the Git. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, if you don't know like your GitHub is already configured or not, so this is the command to check that the GitHub is configured or not. So here we go with the command. So if when I run this one, so here you can see that by default my email and the name is already configured in my system, right? So if you don't have configured, so make sure you have to configure your Git configurations, right? So let me go and just create a folder var www.html and mkdir with directory like a GitHub. Okay, so ls with the okay cd github. Okay, clear, and ls there is nothing over there. So here I need to check, I need to configure with this. I want to push, right? So still I think I should not going to change this because some of my projects is there, right? So for the if you want to configure, so you have to mention like git config here slash two hyphens with global user dot name. If you want to make it global user dot name, and this is your name, and after that you have to run this git config hyphen global user dot email and your email. Okay, make sure after doing this, and when you do this git config hyphen hyphen list, this will appear that which username and which email you are getting to be configured, right? So this is how. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.